afternoon, everyone. Today topic is about visualizing our universal harmony in a society. This is unit 3 from unit 3 lecture 4, and I am Sonia Sharma, Dureja, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department in Chandigarh Engineering College, Engineering, Mohali. So today we will learn about the universal harmony in a society. So let's begin this lecture. Undivided society means akhand samaj, feeling of being related to every human being. And undivided human society is one of the higher human goal. Akhand samaj is a state of the society where all the people of different religions live together for the work together and to move towards the betterment of the society. Now, what is universal human order? Sarvbhavna Vyasvasta mean feeling of being related to every unit including human being, other entities of nature. Undivided society, Akhand Samaj, feeling of being related to every human being. The value of peace, freedom, social progress and equal right, human dignity. In the in UN in Universal Declaration of Human Rights are not less valid today when over half century ago these documents are drafted by representative for many different nations. Now, what is the goal of education? As you know, education play a very important role to transformation of the human life. The real goal is for by be a lifelong learner, be passionate, be ready to take risks, be able to problem solve, be able to look at the things differently, be able to work independently, be creative, care and want to give to their community. What is student teacher relationship? As you know, this is involving the positive student teacher relationship is the basic factor of quality education and student learning. It play a very important role in the life of the student to make its career. Many qualities define a positive relationship. Power way on how to create powerful student-teacher relationship. This can be seen include a good education, good communication, safe learning environment, positive and patience attitude, student quality, and timely praise. Now, coexistence world is full of the diversity. There are different nations, cultures, communities, language. The beauty of coexistence can only be maximized. It can only be maximized if everything in the world is in harmony, peaceful, and coexistence basically is the key to harmony in the world. Now, next is what? For peaceful coexistence to occur in diverse society, the following must happen. First, if people must recognize that traditional interpretation of peaceful, government and individual must recognize that society need not be a homogeneous member of varying culture, religious, and politics must be separate. People must agree to disagree regarding certain moral values, belief, and come to recognize that others can differ from them yet be equally capable in their own unique manner. So, what are the five dimensions of human endeavor? First is right education, right living, right health, justice, productions, and exchange stories. These are the five dimensions of the human endeavor. Okay, now fear. Fear means anger. Anger to live, afraid to die. This is the problem of themselves. The fear of death must be reckoned as a prime fear. But most primal and basic fear is that expectations being defeated, or more especially of losing when one discusses think one on. Fear of losing with what one is attached to give birth to the fear of death. Therefore, the former is the most basic fear because one is attached to the body and is afraid to lose it. Abhay is associated with bhay or nirbhay. It is a permanent state where there is no question of ever experiencing any fear. Fear is only a delusion created by the mind. Lack of fear is also a delusion created by the mind. Factor of fear. The first one is ignorance, fear of unknown, fear of the past due to guilty, fear of future is insecurity. Death is the major cause of fear. Extended relationship from family to society. As we begin to understand our relationship in the family, live harmoniously in this relation. Family is the first place to understand our relationship. Recognizing the feeling in that relationship, live according to the feelings and attain mutual acceptance. Now, in order to facilitate the Fulfillment of the basic aspiration of the human beings must involve right understanding in the is necessary for the human being, for all the human. When one does not have the right understanding, one remain disturbed and act in a manner as to create disharmony with the other human being. Prosperity is need in every family. Prosperity is a family mean that family is able to identify its need fearlessly, coexistently. Samriddhi, prosperity is a state of flourishing, thriving, success, or good fortune. It often encompasses wealth, but also include other factors which are independent of the wealth to varying degrees, such as happiness and health. Thank you. I hope dreams and aspirations would always take you on the straight path to destiny, but they are usually related to what your souls want for you. In this session, we learn about the visualization harmony in the society, in which we learn about the fear, undivided society, and universal human order goal of the education. I hope this session is very informative for you. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow again. Have a good day. Thank you.